If you own your local business, or if you are an entrepreneur, you probably face the challenge of getting sales leads. In the past, people were used to doing door-to-door sales, and still nowadays people are used to posting advertisements or local newspapers or on the web. But we no longer live at the time of our grandparents. We live in a crazy and highly competitive environment, and it's really important to be proactive. No, actually it's not important. We have to be proactive. Today we continue our e-commerce series and we will talk about how to get leads from the Yellowpages. In other words, you will learn how to have access to your potential customers and how to reach people that could be interested in purchasing your product or your service. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Octoparse YouTube channel for weekly updates. And if you have any questions, please leave us a comment just below. Anyway, with further ado, let's get started. The Yellowpage is probably one of the largest business directory websites. You can extract phone numbers, addresses, and in some cases, email addresses and websites. And basically with Octoparse, you've got two different ways to extract leads on the Yellowpages. You've got the fast way and the accurate way. You know what? Let's start with the fast way. With the fast way, we can build our own workflow within 30 seconds. You don't believe me? Okay, that's fine. Challenge accepted. Let's go to Octoparse, we click on New, Task a Template. I select the Yellowpages template, Businesses, try it, and let's suppose I want to target auto repair in Seattle. I click on Save and Run, and then run on your device or run in the cloud. Look what it looks like. Data is slowly extracted, and we've got around 100 lines already. Now let's move on to the accurate way. It will help you to build a more personalized workflow. First of all, we need to make our search on the yellowpages.com, and for the example, I'm looking for auto repairs in Denver. I copy and I paste my URL in Octoparse. Now we have access to the website, and if we take a look closely, we can already extract some data. For instance, here is a specific item we will find on the Yellowpages. We can extract the title, the category, the phone numbers, the address, and in some cases there also are an image and a website. So let's extract all this data. To do this, it's pretty simple. We click on here and auto-detect web page data, and all we need to do is to wait. And here is the thing. We've got a lot of information. We click on Create Workflow. Okay, it's pretty good by now, but we need to modify two things. First of all, as I've said earlier, we've got a lot of information, and probably we've got too many information. I'm going to delete some fields in order to keep what is necessary. And secondly, we don't get any pagination. That's the reason why we need to click on the page next in order to have access to all the data. First, let's delete some fields. For instance, here I've got twice the name of the company, so I'm going to delete the second one. I just got the category, which is good, but personally I don't need the URL of the category, so I'm going to delete it. So please delete the unnecessary fields in our case, and once it is done, we can move on together. So here is the final result. I just keep the title, so the company name, the title URL, the image when there is one, the category and the subcategory, the website, the number of years of experience, phone numbers, address, and the first review. That's pretty good, but as we have said, I want to extract all the data from all the pages. That's the reason why we need to create a pagination. To create a pagination, I scroll down to the bottom of the page, Then I click on the button Next and click Next Page. And as you can see, we've got a pagination. To make it work, I'm going to set up an Ajax timeout of between 10 and 15 seconds. And one last thing, I need to drag the scroll page item and the loop item inside the pagination. And here it is. Here is what the workflow looks like. Let's slow down a little bit. You know, in most e-commerce websites, we've got a listing page and a detail page. And that's my point, because each element inside the listing page is related to a detail page. And that will be our next step. Basically, we will click through each detail page in order to extract additional information. So to do that on Octoparse, I click on the title of the first item and I click on Click Element. And please make sure that in the option there is no Ajax, and we click on Apply. Now it's time to extract additional information. First, we can extract the emails. In some cases, there is the email. So I click on it and I click Extract the URL of the selected link. And as you can see, now we've got the email. Same thing for the description. In some cases, we've got general info. So I click on it and I click on Extract the text of the selected element. And last but not least, we can have access to the regular hours. I click on it and extract the text. Here is a little trick I want to share with you. We go to Options, Wait Before Action, and we set up a waiting time of 2 seconds, and we click on Apply. Basically, it will help us to load the detail page entirely and then to extract the data. Now it is over. We click on Save and we click on Run. If you are a premium user of Octoparse, you can click Run in the cloud because it will help you to get faster. Otherwise, we click Run on your device. Once we've got our data, we export them, let's say in an Excel spreadsheet. And here is what it looks like. Please don't forget one thing. A good prospection campaign is actually a multi-channel campaign. If your prospect doesn't answer on the phone, you can send him an email. If he doesn't answer your email, you can send him a postcard or whatever later. If he doesn't answer your letter, you can check his website to see if he doesn't have any social media, and you can contact him on this social media. You know, we shouldn't be limited by your own restricted beliefs. Please use your imagination to do whatever seems possible or impossible. Alright, that's all for today. I hope that you truly enjoyed this video. If it's the case, you can give us a thumbs up. And another thing, I have a strong belief that if you want to get good at something, you have to practice it daily. So if you want to download Octoparse, we just input the link to download the software in the description box. If you have any questions, please, you can reach the customer support at this email address. Anyway, enjoy and see you soon. Hope my video got your confusion cleared away. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos regarding Octoparse and web scraping. We will always keep you updated.